You were saying that you were motivated to get into the chef business because your parents had a restaurant, and then you ended up on Channel 4 with all these other top of the line chefs. And what led on from that?
So then we were filming for about 3 months together, and I really enjoyed it. Like, I mean, it was every day was like just
Oh,
so
so are
much
you telling me
excitement.
that it was not just an interview, it was like a show that promoted
Yeah,
dishes?
yeah. It was a show where we have to cook against other people, and I mean, this was my first time to ever do anything like that. And it was a competition, and I didn't go far in the competition. I was like one of
Mm.
the first people out. However, I just felt like I was going to take this and I'm going to run with it however I can. And this is one of the things I would say that anybody who's watching, who's considering business or food or anything, or maybe starting a new business, anything that you might be thinking or considering to do, I think that every time you have an opportunity, you have to absolutely maximize your opportunities, because you don't know how few and far between they can come. And if you feel that you really enjoy something and you start it and you think, oh, I really enjoy this, I really like it. Um, we know with everything that you're going to start something, and then within a certain period of time, that's going to end. I think if you really enjoy something and you're passionate about it and you want to make it successful, it's your job to make sure that that doesn't end. So you use whatever you get as a springboard to the next thing. So what I did was, after we did the filming, it was just suddenly dead. All this excitement of being on TV and being on Channel 4 and working with these celebrity chefs, and then going home to say, well, I'm out of that show now, and the show was finished and everybody kind of went back to their normal life. And I was like, no, I'm not going to go back to my normal life because that's so boring. I want to do something exciting.